Hey Derek, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Just wanted to give you a YouTube video here of the Suburban you inquired about. It is the LT model. Really excellent shape. I can't find any smell of smoke or pets or any lingering smells inside. It is the LT model, so it's pretty well equipped. Can't see any dings or nicks on the outside of it either. Black leather interior throughout. Factory navigation, Bose sound system, sunroof. Very nice condition. We need to work by appointment when possible. Please give me a call at 253-394-0046 to set up a time to come in. And it is ready to be shown anytime. Thanks, Derek. Talk to you soon.